So make we big up Miss Lou, shout our name to the hills, and make we hope we meet someone else with fear skills. This poem I'm doing is taken from this book called Rhymes and Rhythms of Jamaica, and the book is written by these two authors, Herman Bell and Latoya Patterson. This is not my own poem, but I absolutely love Jamaican poetry. It makes me so happy when I do it. So I want to share some with you. Miss Lou with Second Heroine by Latoya Patterson. Me nah play, me just vex. Fi me teeth me nah kin. Me want know why Miss Lou is still not a heroine. Look what she do. Fi make we proud. A fi we patois. Yet them a go on like what she do. It no matter. Why them a try this Jamaica's first daughter? Why them a go on like them no know no better? Miss Lou take we language far and abroad. Even when they did she my tired. She is a daughter of the soil and a proud Jamaican. Them for reward her for her service to this great nation. Patois used to be the language of the Butu, but all of that changed because of Miss Lou. She had many talents. She could write, sing, and act. She is a national treasure, and we all know that. Remember what she said when the Anansi story done? Jack Mandora may not choose none. Miss Lou left Jamaica, cut cross go foreign, but when she come back, she start up ring ding. No Saturday morning, me wait pan that show. Me did really want dip on it, you really want know. Me know every song, and me think me could sing. And to tell you the truth, I'll know me miss ring ding. So, when we chat about gear out and kiss teeth and say we vex, remember Miss Lou make we proud and we dialect. She teach we folk songs and make we sing them loud. She promote we culture and make we feel proud. Miss Lou prove we language of syntactic structure. That's why she is the mother of the Jamaican culture. She highlight the lives of ordinary Jamaicans. She make we feel she was a friend to everyone. When me hear her name, feel me heart feel warm. When me hear her words, me understand her charm. All who never hear her surely missed out. So make we teach them when we are chat bout. Me really have to laugh when some people start twang. Them should I use the patois and not come out so strong. Make we use with dialect, no? Make nobody make we shame. And when we use it, we fi do it in her name. So make we big up Miss Lou, shout our name to the hills, and make we hope we meet someone else with fear skills. Jack Mandora, me no choose none.